Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we are going to be doing another hair video. You guys really liked my purple shampoo video, and I'm so glad that you guys did because I had a really fun time filming that. I just really enjoyed making it. So today we're going to be doing something kind of similar to that, you know, in the same realm, but a little bit different. So I don't know about you guys, but I always hear a lot about purple shampoo. I see a lot of videos on it, you know, tons of people rave about it, but I don't hear much about purple conditioner. I looked it up on YouTube just to see if there was any videos about it or anybody using it, and to be honest, I really didn't see too many. I'm just honestly very curious to see if purple conditioner will work the same way as purple shampoo, so today we're gonna be testing that out. So I'm gonna be kind of doing like the same thing that I did in the purple shampoo video, except with conditioner. This is actually the same brand as I used in the shampoo video. I actually figured out how to pronounce it. It's called Zhirmack. I'm not really sure, to be honest, but it's Jhirmack. So for anybody that was wondering about the brand in the last video, here it is. You can get it at Walmart. So yeah, basically today we're just going to be testing out purple conditioner, seeing if it will tone my hair, brighten it, take out the brassiness. Let's just see what it does to it. So yes, I did cut my hair, guys. Right now my hair is really not that brassy at all. I might have a little bit through the ends of my hair, but that's pretty much it. Also, please excuse the way that it looks. It's been up in a bun all day and I just didn't feel like doing my hair because I'm just gonna be putting conditioner in it and then getting in the shower. So really pointless to do my hair, so this is what it looks like right now. Sorry. Anyways, I think we should just get started into the video because I am actually really excited to see if this is gonna do anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair like I did in my last video. I'm not really too concerned about the top of my hair because I do have a lot of my roots growing in. I'm just gonna start out with this bottom section first and then we will work our way up. I'm gonna be wearing gloves because I know for a fact that purple shampoo stains, or it can stain. I'm not 100% sure about conditioner, but just in case, I'm gonna be wearing gloves because I definitely do not want purple hands. So I do highly recommend watching my last video. If you haven't, I will link it right up in the cards here. But in that last video, I used the shampoo and I noticed that the shampoo really wasn't that pigmented, but surprisingly, the conditioner is actually a lot more pigmented than the shampoo. So I don't know if that's gonna have a different effect. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and get started and start putting this in our hair. Like I said in the last video, it smells so good. Like, this brand smells amazing, you guys. I'm really glad that you guys enjoyed the last video. I'm kind of thinking that I might make this into like a series kind of thing. Like, not really a series, but I kind of want to just test out different brands of purple shampoo or purple conditioner or even toners. So if you guys want to go ahead and comment down below like your favorite brands or whatever, I will definitely give them a go and test them out in a video. I had a lot of you guys recommending your favorites in the last video, so I'm definitely going to give those a go as well. I feel like my hair is going to be super soft after this. Like, when I did the shampoo, a lot of you guys were saying it can be super drying on your hair, which, I mean, it was a little bit, but nothing crazy. But I feel like with conditioner, like, is there any real damage that this could do? I'm honestly not sure. I mean, I wouldn't think that there's any real damage that this could do to your hair, but you never really know. I'm not sure how long I want to leave this on though. In my last video I did an hour, but I'm thinking, should I do an hour again? Should I do 30 minutes? I don't really know yet. Oh my god, this has nothing to do with the video, but I just want to share it because it made me so excited. But I posted a picture on Instagram and I was wearing a Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and Kylie Cosmetics commented on my picture and that made me so happy. Like, I know it's not Kylie herself, but I was like, oh my god, freaking out. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. Now let's move on to the top. Oh, I love the way that this smells. It smells so good, you guys. So in my purple shampoo video using this brand, you would obviously know if you watched, but the results weren't anything crazy. It definitely brightened my hair, but it didn't, like, you know, drastically change it, but it definitely brightened it and made it a lot more white. So I'm really curious to see if this is actually going to do anything. It might do absolutely nothing. I don't know. Like I said in my last video, I'm not too worried about, you know, completely saturating every strand of hair. Okay, so I think that's good enough right there. I'm just trying to figure out if I want to leave it in for an hour or not. I think I might as well, since that's what I did last time. I really don't know if this is going to do anything, to be honest. For some reason, I just have a feeling that it's not going to do a thing. I don't know why. Honestly, just judging, like, just from looking at it right now, it looks a lot more like blue than the purple shampoo looked. Like, when I had the purple shampoo in my hair, it definitely looked more on the purple gray side. And for some reason, I don't know if it's picking it up on camera or not, this almost has like a blue cast or hue to it. I don't know, this could do nothing at all. This is why we're testing it, guys. Okay, you know what? I've decided, let's just do an hour. Why not? So I'm gonna go ahead and put an hour timer on my phone. And now we wait. So in my last video, I went ahead and I covered my hair with a shower cap, but I think we're gonna try something different this time. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. I really don't think that this is gonna stay in anything. Obviously my roots are like crazy right now. I really need to do them, but I didn't really focus on the roots too much because they're just like my natural hair. Would you guys want to see a video of me bleaching my roots? Because I've actually never bleached just roots before. I've bleached my hair numerous times, but I've never done just the roots. And for some reason, just doing the roots kind of makes me nervous. Like, I feel like it's a lot trickier for some reason. But yeah, I definitely do need to do my roots pretty soon because they are getting pretty long. But let me know if you guys want to see that and I will definitely film it. It might be a fail, but... So I have a while to wait yet, so I'm probably just gonna go grab a snack, watch some Netflix, you know, hang out with my dog. So I will check in with you guys in a bit. Okay, so we have about 30 minutes left. One thing that I'm noticing that is like drastically different from when we did this with the shampoo is how it's looking right now. When I did this with the shampoo, it was purple. Like, you could really see it in my hair. And with the conditioner right now, you can definitely see like a little bit of a purple tint to it, but it's nothing crazy like the shampoo was. Like, when I had the shampoo waiting in my hair, I'm like, oh my god, my hair is gonna turn purple. That's how purple it looked. But oh my goodness, you guys, my hair smells amazing right now. Like, oh, it smells so good. But anyways, I'm gonna go wait the rest of the time. I have about like 26 minutes left, so I'll see you then. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna go hop in the shower now, rinse this out, but look how gray it's looking right now. It looks super gray, like silvery, so let's go see if it did anything. So I just got out of the shower. Oh my goodness, you guys. My hair feels so soft. It's insane. It also still smells amazing right now. It's like crazy. But I'm not gonna go ahead and show you guys the results yet. I'm gonna wait till my hair is dry and styled so, you know, you can see it a lot better, but you will see that in the next clip. Okay, and here are the results. What do you guys think? I feel like it did slightly change. There's no like drastic difference, of course, but I feel like there is a slight change. Like, I don't know how well it's picking up on camera, but I feel like there's almost more of a grayer tone to my hair now, like more ashy. Whereas with the purple shampoo, I felt like it overall just made my hair a lot more brighter, whiter. But with this, I feel like, especially in like the lighter parts of my hair, I feel like there's more of a gray tone. I don't know how well you guys can see that on camera. So yeah, I definitely do notice a little bit of a difference. Nothing crazy. I don't think I would ever do this again because the results really aren't worth the effort and the product that you put into it. But I will say one thing that is amazing is my hair feels so soft. It's insane. And it also still smells amazing. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you notice a difference? If you have seen my purple shampoo video, which results do you like better, the shampoo or the conditioner? And if you haven't, I highly recommend you go check it out. Also, I just want to point out something really quick. If you see this weird mark on my collarbone right here, this is gonna sound crazy, but I accidentally exfoliated too hard and cut myself. Like, I don't know how that's possible, but I somehow managed to do that and it left a really weird mark. I just wanted to point that out in case you were noticing it and being like, what is that? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, if you haven't already, go check out my Instagram. It is always linked down below. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!